Can you share screen and then we see what was your problem and then we go ahead from there. We do the next steps.
Okay, so this is what we did in
Mhm.
last class. I tried to write a subset for the date. So we were calculating
Do it here below in row number 12. Do it. Yeah, and others can guide you because subset 2 we already learned, right? We'll learn few more things in subset. We'll close subset today, but yeah, do it for date. Of course, we have to do it for date as well, right? We are doing it for
right.
1st August 2021, right? As on that date, we are trying to calculate death rate, right? For Kerala. We did it for state, right? State equal to Kerala. Now
Right.
we need to do one more
Data is no
subset
problem.
to do it for date. And can you copy paste this thing? Yeah.
It will load, but data will not show us. It's loading, but data is not visible for us.
No, it's not data not visible. Your filter is wrong. That is the reason, right? So it's creating an empty file. Now can you open COVID_Kerala table?
Yeah.
Double click and open. Yeah. Can you go down? Can I see the date?
It
Yeah.
says.
Can you double click on the date? Is it? Yeah. Double click on the date. Yeah. Can you copy it? Is it it is separated by hyphen, right?
Right, hyphen.
And what you put there? You copied it from Excel.
Yeah, I copied it from Excel.
You should never do that. Once in Python, you do things in Python. Okay, then yeah, run again. Yeah.
Yeah.
So you understood the mistake. The mistake was you copied it from Excel. So there might be,
Right.
there was extra space something. So once in Python, when you're doing copy paste, you copy from Python only. Okay. Because Excel and Python, yeah, it's not exactly the same. Okay. So we just completed subset. Okay. Now I want you guys never to forget subset. Okay. So this is, we will learn only 6 things in Python. And I am saying that with the six skills, you can do anything in Python. Okay. This is the first one. Can you tell me, in the subset condition, we could put only the variable name, right? Like state, union, territory. Your condition is state, union, territory equal to Kerala, right? That was the condition, right? Or date equal to the 22nd, 2021, 0811. That was the condition, right? So why we need to put that COVID Kerala along with date? Why we need to pair the table name along with variable name? Why we had to write COVID Kerala second time? I want you guys to clearly understand these things. Second time in the sense, in the row number 11, we wrote COVID Kerala twice, right?
Right.
Why the second time? Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. So can you come to row number 12? Yeah.
Yes.
Write A equal to, yeah, write only date. So inside the bracket, what is there? Date and with the start end with the apostrophe. Copy paste that inside the bracket.
Okay, this.
No, not the entire thing. Only date. DATE date with apostrophe. Yeah. Remove those brackets. The extra brackets you put. Yeah. Start bracket, delete. Yeah. Now now go B. Write B equal to. Next line. Yeah. B equal to. Now write COVID Kerala and date together. Yeah. Including the end bracket this time. Yeah. Yeah. Delete the first bracket. Yeah. Now run A and B. Run A and B. Now, can I see what is value stored in A and what is value stored in B?
it's 8
Hmm.
and B is underscore.
Can you double click on B?
In B, there is a series of dates.
That is the column, right? Actually, this is what you wanted, right?
Right.
Yeah. But in A, do you see the same, or in A it's just a string? Right?
Yeah, it's just the same.
So you'll never forget, right? So if you put without column name, if you put a variable name without column name, Python counts it as a string, not a column. So only when you are mentioning the variable name along with table name, then only Python understands that it's a column. So, and you can see that, right? So in B, you can see the variable. Python understood that it's the variable date you are talking, and that is how it's stored value. Now what we want to do is, like we did it in 2 steps, right? So now we want to do it in 1 step. Okay.
Yeah.
Like we are beginners, so we tried in 2 steps. So what if we can attempt both the steps in one go? Okay, so that we'll do now. For Maharashtra, how we do that, both the filters in one go. At least let's see fundamentally, so you understand that COVID data. From there you have to do it. First subset is COVID data, state union territory equal to Maharashtra. Okay, fine. The table is COVID data, right? COVID Maharashtra will be your output. So you are applying 2 filter on the same parent table, right? In a AND.
Yeah.
Right? Both the filters together we need to apply. That is the thing. So, but you need to do one more step extra. Okay. So each of the condition you need to put within first bracket. That's it. Each of the subset condition you put within first bracket. That's it. See, this is a simple, right? This COVID data and date together, this is the series name.
Yeah.
Right? So what is the first condition? Did you first condition you need to put start and bracket. What is the condition starts? Yeah, put parenthesis. Where the condition ends, just before and. Yeah.
Run.
You see, you tell me. There is a red. Why you are running?
Oh yeah.
You need to check all this, right? You need to read what is the text it's saying as the error message, and learn that as well. No? So tomorrow the same error comes, you know what to do. Right side, right side. Can you see the log syntax error in red?
Expected EOF parsing.
Yes. End of file. Do you have a notebook pen?
Yeah.
Because this is a family of error. It's not one-time error. So
Yeah.
if you understand these, you understand at least 1,000,000 times same error coming in your future.
Yeah.
So note down this error. This comes when you opened something and did not close.
Unexpected EOF.
EOF means end of file. So it happens when you opened something and it's expecting that there should be a closer. Like you opened a first bracket, there should be a closer, right? You opened a straight bracket, there should be a closer, but somewhere it's missing, then it comes. The subset starts with a straight bracket, ends with a straight bracket, right? Did it end with a straight bracket? What is the end straight bracket? There is no end straight bracket, ulta there is extra double quote. So the condition should end with a parenthesis, right? After and this second condition started with a parenthesis should end with a parenthesis, first parenthesis and then straight bracket. Put the parenthesis. Yeah, go right and then put the straight bracket. Yeah. Now is there the red dot still there?
No.
Now run. It's still showing error. Go right. Instead of and put an ampersand. Put an ampersand. Yes. Now run. Yeah, it actually ampersand is what is ampersand. Can you go to output and see if it's all good as expected?
Here, COVID_Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Yeah, 7 July Maharashtra.
This is our skill number 1 out of the 6 or 7 skills we learned. This is our skill number 1, and we learned one important debugging skills, EOF. The EOF is a frequent error. You and me understand that dates and confirmed is there in front of our eyes, but but where it's stored is actually in a data frame, right?
Yeah.
It's only one entry, but it's a data frame, right? So
Yeah.
what if I could store date, this number, in a variable A? If I could do that.
Yeah.
And if I could store the confirm that number in a variable B, if I could do that.
Yeah.
Then A by B would give me the number, right? What you're looking for.
Yeah. Yes.
Right? So that is the thing we need to try. That how we can extrapolate this number and store it into a variable. That is the thing we'll do next. And that is our next skill. Okay? We'll use one concept. Aggregation of a series is a number. So this is COVID Uttar Pradesh is a data frame, right? So COVID Uttar Pradesh within straight bracket, if I put date, what would be that as the data type? Write X is equal to COVID Uttar Pradesh in straight bracket, write dates. Now run this thing, row number 26. The explorer, can you see X? No?
Yeah.
What is the data type?
Series.
So even though looks like it's a value only, but it's a series, it's not an integer, right? Right, double X equal to max inside parenthesis put X. The series, yeah. Now run row number 27. Let's see what is data type of double X.
Integer.
That is what we are looking for, right? So max is just an aggregation, right? I told you aggregation of a series output would be integer. And that is what we are looking for. We can do A by B and calculate death rate, right? And this is the step. Aggregation of series giving me the value in integer. Output is integer. So can you rename that XX to, I think it's death, right? Death count. Yeah. Can you do it for the confirmed? There is the infection count as well.
So first I'll have to say y is equal to COVID_ Uttar Pradesh.
What is the death rate of Uttar Pradesh?
1.32%.
Yeah. As per your construct, we need to calculate death rate for all the states as on that date, right?
Yeah.
And find out who are the toppers, top 5. We learned 2 concepts. One is how to do subset. Second is how to extrapolate values for mathematical calculation from a data set. Any aggregation of a series, output is always be integer. So that funda we are using because we had to get in A, B to integer values for date and confirmed cases. Then I can do anything. I can do percentage, I can all types of mathematics. If I have A and B, I can do all types of mathematics, right?